Tapos, ayun, ganun, I'm currently working on 2 projects right now, pero nagiging committed lang talaga ako sa characterization para una, mabigyan ng justice yung role, and pangalawa, para mabigyan ko ng justice yung standard na naset ng original film. And ayun, with the help of Viva and of course Direk at ang buong prod team, sobrang nasa magagandang kamay naman kami. Kaya, ayun po, excited na kami.
Tuwad lang,
Tuwad? Uy! Ito na po. Ay, tuwad. Sorry po.
Tuwad.
Ay, sorry po. Rated PG pala ang goal natin. Okay, sorry.
Tuwad lang sa sinabing Gian, kasi nagulat ako sa kanila kasi parang first time yung mag-act na feature film. Pero nagulat ako nung look test, may na-develop na siyang nuance and materialism sa character niya. At nag-dedicate agad siya ng sarili niyang workshop to develop the character na parang mas na-relieve ako na committed si Gian, and I'm so happy for those kind of actors na who really put an effort sa character na ma-surprise yung director. Kaya surprise me.
Sobrang committed po ni Gian, siya lang yung may copy ng script.
Akala ko kailangan
The hard copy. Siya lang talaga
Talaga
yung
ba ako may lighter?
Wala pa kami kahit na ng script.
Ayan
Ayan na, di ba?
Ayun na.
Oo.
Hindi na.
Tago ko na.
Sino next? Ayan.
For Jairus and TJ na lang. Siguro, may pwede ba kayo share na during your first meeting na BTS, paano na-break yung ice for the group?
Honestly, parang walang icebreaker, no?
Parang matagal na
Pagsalang
Crushed ice
doon,
na crushed
oo,
ice.
crushed ice na agad talaga siya eh.
Ito ba yung video na in-upload ng
Hindi pa, like
Test
meron
pa
pa,
yan.
may prior pa kami pagkikita. Tapos, kasi kami ni Brother TJ.
Oh, hindi kita kinuya ha.
Thank you.
Hindi, kasi kami ni TJ, para nakikita naman na kami sa mga Moshu, sa mga Naviga films eh. So, hindi naman na rin kami, napapanood ko talaga siya sa Funny One. So, bata pa lang ako, napapanood ko na talaga
Uy,
siya.
kalmahan mo sa bata.
Ay, sorry. sorry. Tapos ayun, so parang wala namang icebreaker na anything kasi parang nag-gel naman agad yung chemistry ng isa't isa. Which is very interesting, kaya excited rin ako to work with these people and to learn more about this kind of genre. Kasi sabi nga ni Bert, hindi ito yung home court ko, honestly. Pero I'm excited and very happy to be on board with this project. And ayun, so ikaw,
To add lang din, actually same lang din man kami ni Jai nagsasabi, no? It's basically parang hindi na kailangan na icebreaker because halos kakilala na rin namin. At kami naman ni G, since first time namin magkakilala, I loved how natural and G agad yung namin, yung vibe na parang tapos nagtatawanan na kami agad. May ganun agad na chemistry. Totoo yung sinabi ni Kuya Vando na
Sinasabi siya.
na ang comedy daw ay hindi naka-live diary po siya. Naku, kinakabahan ako sa mga ibubulong ni Bima.
Sabi mo natural eh.
Uy! Uy, huwag ganon, pare! Ayun pala, so sa preparation. Balik sa question. Balik sa bilang preparation po, if I may add, gusto ni Direk lagyan namin ng parang sariling flair, syempre, bilang PH adaptation, Filipino adaptation. So, inaano kami ni Direk, ikaw lagyan mo ng ganito, ano sa tingin niya pwede mong gawing parang flavor mo nga. So, magandang abangan po yan dun sa kung ano yung kakalabasan ng mga i-add namin na yun.
Tuwad.
Uy! Tuwad!
Tuad.
Thank you. Sorry, ano na lang pala. Anong period pala?
Ay, hulaan niya chat. Actually, parang period siya, pero hindi ako strictly period. So, may mga ginawa ako na sa film, kung ano talagang setting or ano yung ano niya, pero surprise ko na lang kayo sana kung paano siya gagawin. So, yun. Nag-samgyup tayo.
Samgyup pala yun.
Again, thank you so much, Sir Richard, for the questions. Ang dami natin natututunan in this world. Marami preparation, timing, and chemistry. Factors na i-consider natin para supportahan tayo ng mga viewers and supporters natin ngayon in our upcoming film. Okay, we have 2 more from the press, namely Nikki Wang from Manila Standard and Erwin Ogawa from Anong Ganap. So let's start with Nikki Wang from Manila Standard.
Nikki, yeah.
First of all, congratulations to the entire cast.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Derek, I would just like to add lang kanina. Well, ang Indonesian and Thai culture very similar naman tayo sa kanila. And you mentioned kanina there is an effort to make the film really Filipino. So, as the director, what makes the Philippine adaptation very Filipino?
Si Baruma.
When we started writing, yan yung mga talaga kailangan namin i-incorporate and i-address. So there are sa research namin, kami ng mga mga old na, we looked at mga paintings ni Amarcelo for inspiration, and at the same time, we also looked at some old costumes and traditions. So parang, yung isa sa ko is yung teeth, na very iconic kasi yung black teeth sa Thai. Pero we don't have that kind of traditional costumes here. So parang naghanap kami na parang similar, and yung may nahanap kami, yung betelnut, yung nga na gusto namin incorporate here. And there are some other like in terms of yung folklore, may in-inject kami, may incorporate kami. But then again, it's still an adaptation. May expectation pa rin na may i-retain at sundan from the original. So we had to be very clever in trying to incorporate that na mas local siya at may Filipino folklore na na flavors. So ayun, dami namin na-incorporate, dami namin na parang in a way hybrid aswang multo ba tong si Pinang, ganun. So may ganun siya
Hybrid?
Parang hybrid, oo. As in,
Electric matigas?
So may ganung may mga ganung kaming mga nilagay sa kanya to make it more but at the same time, yung humor din kasi ng PMAC, hindi siya strictly period. Marami siyang parang kino-combine na which makes it very unexpected and funny. So doon, pinaglaruin ko rin yun, yung mga ganong parts na yun, na parang worry ko nga, mas parang baka mas marami ng comedy kaysa horror, pero ibalik ko pa rin yung pagka-horror elements niya. Nandun pa rin yung expectation ng tropes ng horror. So ayun, we've been researching and writing to make it, close to Filipino. Pero may narrative pa rin from the original na very iconic.
Thank you. And of course, yung mga cast kanina, tanong na kung how was it working with each other. Pero the question is, paano po ba nabuo yung cast na to?
To me? Sa akin?
Yes, Derek.
I think nabuo siya na sila na yung si Pinang at si Makmak. The tricky parts is the friends kasi dapat sila attack mode sila na non-song. So it was a very difficult na casting decision.
Were they handpicked or did they audition?
Audition na hinanpick ko. Ganun pa di ba yun or something? There was may wish casting pero I'm very careful na, is this the kind of comedy that I want here? Is this perfect mix ba to? May ganun siyang may ganun siyang deciding process na parang, kasi sometimes I look at them at silhouettes, I look at them kung ano yung energy level, parang anime, parang ganun, parang nag-match ng energy, ganun. So, difficult, pero nung inano ko siya, when I came up with this, parang, okay, mukhang okay to na mix kasi there is may unexpected, may expected. So gusto ko gusto ko itapon sila at na sila diyan, mitochondrial synergy diyan, ganun. So parang yun yung yun yung gusto ko mangyari sa kanila. So parang siyang samgyup, parang may samgyup ka. So
Gusto mo ba ng sabi? Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo ba?
So that's the yun yung gusto ko sa ensemble, because I always look forward sa ensemble na mga performances. Nag-enjoy ako sa ganyan na na casting. So very carefully picked and auditioned.